Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is place value. Here we are introducing place value. Every digit in a number has a value. Let us imagine a number house with two rooms, tens and ones. So here is the number house. One is tens, ones. So here the number is 29. That is two tens and nine ones. It is two tens and nine ones and the number is 29. The numbers in the tens room need a company. So 0 is their friend. The numbers in the ones room do not need any friend. So now we read 29 as 20 and 9. So here the digits. So first one is 2. So 2 is at the tens place and its place value is 20. Over here 9 is at the ones place. So its place value is 9. Let us try to put the given numbers in their respective room. 1 is done. So over here 18. So for 18, 1 is at the tens place and 8 is at the ones place. For 27, we read it as 20 and 7. So 2 is at the tens place, 7 is at the ones place. Here there is only one single number. So 3 will go at the ones place and there is nothing at the tens place. So we'll put a 0. Here 36. So 3 will go at the tens place and 6 will go at the ones place. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को प्लेस वैल्यू का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है. तो उनको यहाँ पे दिए गए जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस है वो आपको रीड करके समझाने हैं और अगर वो लोग रीड कर पा रहे हैं तो सबसे अच्छा है ये. तो प्लीज एम्फसाइज देम टू आइडेंटिफाई द प्लेस वैल्यू एंड प्लीज ब्रिंग इट टू देयर नोटिस. यहाँ पे जो दिया है टेंस और वंस की जो प्लेस वैल्यू उनको करना है तो यहाँ पे उनको आप ये एम्फसाइज करें कि टेंस और वंस को वो लोग देखें. और यहाँ पे उसके बाद लास्ट में एक एक्टिविटी दी गई है जो उनको इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉलो करते हुए कंप्लीट करना है. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice place value. Divide the numbers in their respective groups. 1 is done. So over here, the number 8, it's a single digit. So it is placed under 1. So 8 is at the ones place. Then for 15, it's 1 tens and 5 ones. 26, 2 tens, 6 ones. 2, 2 ones. 22, 2 tens, 2 ones, 7, 7 ones. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए नंबर्स को रिस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप्स में रखना है जो कि है टेंस और वंस और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the place value. Look at the numbers. Find out the place value of the marked digit. 1 is done. So over here 36, the place value of 3 is 30. 37, the place value of 7 is 7 as 7 is at the ones place. Over here for 14, the place value of 1 is 10 as 1 is at the tens place. 43, over here 3 is at the ones place. So the place value of 3 would be 3. Similarly over here 0, 8. So 8 is at the ones place. So the place value of 8 is 8. 44, 4 is at the tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. 2 is at the tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को मार्क्ड डिजिट की प्लेस वैल्यू को लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice place value. Look at the numbers. Find out the place value for the marked digit. 1 is done. So over here in 26, 2 is at the tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20. In 32, the place value of 2 would be 2 as 2 is at the ones place. In 41, the place value of 4 would be 40 as 4 is at the tens place. In 18, the place value of 8 would be 8 as 8 is at the ones place. In 20, the place value of 0 would be 0. So whether it is at tens place, whether it is at ones place, the place value of 0 would be always 0. Now here in 43, the place value of 4 would be 40 as 4 is at the tens place. And in 54, the place value of 4 would be 4 as 4 is at the ones place over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए नंबर्स में से जो मार्क्ड डिजिट है उसके प्लेस वैल्यू लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice place value. Write the place value of the underlined number. 1 is done. So over here in 56, the digit 5 is underlined and the place value of 5 is 50 as 5 is at the tens place. Here in 36, the place value of 3 is 30 as 3 is at the tens place. In 19, the place value of 1 is 10 as 1 is at the tens place. In 8, the place value of 8 is 8 as 8 is at the ones place. In 31, the place value of 1 would be 1 as 1 is at the ones place. In 27, the place value of 2 would be 20 as 2 is at the tens place. In 35, the place value of 5 would be 5 as it is at the ones place. In 40, the place value of 4 would be 40 as 4 is at the tens place. So 4 tens is 40. In 13, 3 is at the ones place. So its place value would be 3. In 24, 2 is at the tens place. So 2 tens is 20. In 38, 8 is at the ones place. So 8 ones. So 8. In 49, the place value of 4 is 40 as 4 is at the tens place. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अंडरलाइंड डिजिट्स जो है उसके प्लेस वैल्यू को लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice place value. See the circled numbers on the ducks and write their place values in the boxes. 1 is done. So over here, the circled number is 3. So the place value of 3 is 30. Over here, the place value of 5 would be 5 as it is at the ones place. The place value of 4 in 42 would be 40 as 4 is at the tens place. The place value of 6 in 46 would be 6 as it is at the ones place. The place value of 9 in 29 would be 9 as it is at the ones place. The place value of 4 would be 40 over here as it is at the tens place. The place value of 3 in 30 would be 30 as 3 is at the tens place. The place value of 0 would be always 0. The place value of 1 over here is 10 as it is at the tens place. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सर्कल्ड नंबर्स जो है उसके प्लेस वैल्यू को बॉक्सेस में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is introducing place value and beats bars. Here we have got two beats bars, T and O. T denominates tens and O denominates ones. Here in T beat bar, we have two beats. It means 2 tens is 20 and in O bead bar we have 4 beads. It means just 4. So together we get the number 24. Draw the beads to show the number. So over here the child has to draw the beads over here to show the respective number. So over here 53. So at tens place there would be 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and at ones place there would be 3 beads as 3 is at the ones place. In 42 at tens place there would be 4 beads and at ones place there would be 2 beads. In 31 at tens place there would be 3 beads and here at the ones place only 1. In 35, at the tens place there would be 3 beads, and at the ones place there would be 5 beads. In 30, at tens place there would be 3 beads, and ones place 0, so no beads. In 28, at tens place there would be 2 beads, and at the ones place there would be 8 beads. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को प्लेस वैल्यू को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया गया है बीट बार से। तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को बीट्स को ड्रॉ करके नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन, in this worksheet the topic is identify the number from the beat bar. Write the number according to the beats shown. 1 is done. So over here at the tens place there are 3 beads. At the ones place there are 4 beads. So the number would be 34. Here at the tens place there is 1 bead. At the ones place there are 3 beads. So the number would be 13. Here at the tens place there are no beads. So 0. At the ones place there are 3 beads. After that over here at tens place and ones place there are 3 beads. So the number would be 33. Here at the tens place there are 4 beads. At ones place 0 beads as there are no beads. So the number is 40. Here at the tens place there are 3 beads and at the ones place there are 5 beads. So the number is 35. Here at the tens place there are 2 beads. At the ones place there are 3 beads. So the number is 23. Here at the tens place there are 2 beads and at the ones place there are 2 beads. So the number is 22. Here at the tens place there are 4 beads and at the ones place there are 1 bead. So the number is 41. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए बीट बार से उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है और वही नंबर उनको नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।